Here, Sam. Grab your balloons, red, blue, and green, the brightest colors ever seen. We'll puff and huff and make them fat for a racing game just like that. Blow them up big, round, and light. Oh, what a happy, floaty sight. Puff, 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 whoosh. Ready, set, sail, balloon boats. See which one happily floats down the stream, around the bend. With every watery twist and trend, balloon boats in a race so grand, sailing to the winner's sand. Captain Bobby Bunny has a boat of blue. He says, I know just what to do. First mate Squirrely Sam has a boat of red. I'll race you to the bridge ahead. Sailor Ducky D has a boat of yellow so bright, mine will sail with all its might. On your marks, get set, go! Watch the happy balloon boats flow. They bobble bob on the water's top. Will any of them ever stop? Past the twig and past the rock, in this surprising floating walk. Oh no! A little whirlpool spins them around, a swirling, twirling, watery sound. Swish, swish, swirl, but the balloon boats bounce and bobble out with a happy, cheerful, floating shout. Phew, they're safe and back on track. No courage did they lack. There's the finish line, a line of flowers. The boats sail on with all their powers. Bunny is leading, Squirrel is near, Ducky is cheering, have no fear. They float and drift and gently bump over the final grassy lump. Ready, set, sail, balloon boats. See which one happily floats down the stream, around the bend. With every watery twist and trend, balloon boats in a race so grand, sailing to the winner's sand. All three boats cross at the very same time, a perfect finish so sublime. No one is first and no one is last, a friendship race that's meant to last. We'll sail again another day. Hooray for balloon boats!